But I told you, if you love my videos, if you're on TikTok, Facebook, go. If you are stressed because of manpower, come here. If you want to be called a real man, come here. If you want to impress your girlfriend, stay here. Because in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can use cloves in order to enhance your performance, in order to bring back your good performance. Trust me, this home remedy, you don't know it, you have never used it. So if this is your first time to watch a video from Coach Uganda on Easy Tips 256, my dear, stay tuned. Watch the video from the beginning up the end, because I told you these days men will go for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, under 5 minutes. So you need such amazing home remedy which will bring back your good performance forever. This home remedy works permanently. It means when you use it, you'll treat your body, you'll bring back your performance permanently. But you just use it for the period. You'll get to know at the end of this video, then you'll be permanently cured. Because this is not a joking subject. This is a real home remedy for manpower, for a real man to bring back his performance. Trust me, to make it stiff, strong, and energetic. If you want to bring back your stamina, you are in the right place. So my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. What about you? If you're a newcomer here right now, please subscribe. Invite your friends to my YouTube channel. And of course, if you're on Facebook, TikTok, go to YouTube, look for Easy Tips 256 YouTube channel and subscribe. Remember, subscribing is for free of charge. So go to YouTube and look for Easy Tips 256 YouTube channel and subscribe. Remember, such videos, I always bring them always for you. So go and support Coach Uganda on Easy Tips 256 YouTube channel. Now look for clove powder. As you see, this is our clove. Okay, look for clove powder. This is what you need to enhance your performance, to bring back your stamina. No side effects, no overdose. So you need just 1.5 spoon of clove powder. So bring back here your glass and get just a half spoon of clove powder. Just a little bit is enough. This is enough because this is very strong. It's enough, guys. As you see, bring it here. Okay, trust me, no side effects, no overdose. But I told you, if you're on TikTok, Facebook, for such amazing videos, go to YouTube, look for Easy Tips 256 YouTube channel and subscribe for more. Remember, on YouTube, I always upload videos like this one. Now look for me turmeric powder. Okay, these ingredients are easy to get and they are very cheap. So go to nearby shops, markets, and buy turmeric powder. So we need also a little bit, okay, turmeric powder. So for this time, we're going to measure using this little bit. As you see, this is turmeric powder. Bring it here, okay? This is good. Bring it here. Yes, for such amazing videos, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, invite your friends to my YouTube channel always. And of course, these are the videos which I upload every day on my YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. So next, guys, we need cinnamon powder. Remember, I have put, turmeric and cloves. Now we need cinnamon powder for our performance to become better. So if you have ever done masturbation, you like to be a real man during bedtime, this is what you need, guys. You also need a little bit, as you see, a little bit, guys. This is enough, as you see, because it's very strong. Bring it here. Yes. Then what you need is, now if you need such videos, if you're on TikTok, Facebook, go to YouTube, look for Easy Tips 256 YouTube channel and subscribe for more. Remember, subscribing is for free of charge. Turn on the notification bell so that you are notified when I upload new videos every day, okay? Every day. As usual, my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. What about you? We need lemon. Guys, we need lemon, okay? We need lemon. So you're going to cut just a half of it. We need lemon juice, okay? It means you're going to add lemon juice, okay? A half of it. So you're going to bring it here. If you're earning for manpower, you like to last long in bed, you like to be a real man during bedtime, this is what you need to enhance your performance. Some of you cry for manpower, but your eating habit is not good. Please, you need such amazing home remedy. This will cure your performance, your fake performance permanently. It means when you use it, you expect real results, good results, no side effects. Yes, you get me? Looks very well. Trust me, will function like a horse. This is what I take every day. That's why I function like a horse. Trust me, you'll thank me later, guys. This is amazing home remedy, no side effects, no overdose. So guys, from here, as you see, guys, we need hot boiled water. Then bring it here. Hot boiled water. As you see, mix again. Mix again. Very amazing home remedy, which will bring back your performance forever. But I told you, if you love my videos, if you're on TikTok, Facebook, go to YouTube, look for Easy Tips 256 YouTube channel and subscribe for more. Remember, subscribing is for free of charge. Yes, please leave the name of your country in the comment section and invite your friends to my YouTube channel. Sharing this video is always for free because I like other people to get to know such amazing home remedies which I upload every day on my YouTube channel. So share the video, invite your friends to my YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. As I told you, we need natural honey to make it more interesting. Just 1 tablespoon of natural honey and you come up with such amazing home remedy which will make you to be a real man during bedtime, guys. Trust me. So we are here, guys. Here we go. Just 1 spoon is enough. Natural honey, organic honey. So just 1 tablespoon is enough. As you see, guys, put it here. Stop fighting for manpower. I told you, no overdose, no side effects. And when you use it, for the time I'll tell you at the end of this video, it will cure your problem permanently. Mix again. Our home remedy is ready. Okay, I told you, no side effects, no overdose. If you're on TikTok, Facebook, go to YouTube, look for Easy Tips 256 YouTube channel and subscribe for more. Subscribing is for free of charge. And I told you guys, join my membership to get extra services. If you look at my channel, there is the word join. You can join through different levels, different services, starter, gold, and silver. A girl where I join from and get extra services from Coach Uganda on Easy Tips 256. So join and get my services privately. Trust me, you like my services privately. Videos, consultation, products, join my membership. This is our home remedy which you need to enhance your bed performance, your stamina, your endurance. Trust me, to make you a real man during bedtime. This is what you need to bring back your good performance, to be a real man during bedtime, to be a problem during bedtime, to make someone to scream like a dog. Trust me, this will make you to be a real horse. No side effects, no overdose. I told you, if you follow Coach Uganda on Easy Tips 256, my dear, you won't remain the same. Because I bring you different products, different home remedies, will make you to be a real man during bedtime. Trust me, if you have ever done masturbation, you go for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, less than 5 minutes during bedtime, during performance, this will make you to be a real man. This will bring back a good performance. Trust me, to cleanse your body, to make it stiff and strong, and you'll be going for hours and hours. So let me first test this home remedy, then we proceed. Very nice, very interesting. No overdose, no side effects. And guys, I told you, if you need my services privately, join my membership. If you look at my channel, there is the word join, click on it, join through different levels, starter, silver, and gold bed services, and get extra services from Coach Uganda. You can cancel at any time you feel like. So joining is for free of charge when you love it. So join and support Coach Uganda to different levels. So I want you to take this home remedy every day on empty stomach. It means you take it when you have just woken up from your bed. Trust me, your performance will be back forever. This works permanently. So I want you to take it for 4 weeks. If possible, you can take it every day, less than 2 months. If possible, you can take it more than 3 months, 4 months. Take it every day. Stop taking sugar. This is what you need, guys, to bring back a good performance. As usual, my name is Coach Uganda. Love you so much. May God bless you. Bye-bye.